To effectively plot average revenue per user, ARPU, in Tableau, follow these structured steps for a clear and insightful visualization. 1. Prepare your data. Ensure your dataset contains fields such as user ID, revenue, and any necessary date field for time-based analysis. Check for any missing values or errors in the data that might affect calculations. 2. Connect to your data source. Open Tableau and connect to your data source. This could be a CSV file, Excel spreadsheet, or a direct connection to a database. Load your data into Tableau by selecting the necessary tables or sheets. 3. Set up your worksheet. Once your data is loaded, navigate to a new worksheet. Drag necessary dimensions and measures to the workspace. In this case, focus on the user ID and revenue fields. 4. Calculate ARPU. To calculate ARPU, you need to divide the total revenue by the number of unique users. Click on the arrow next to Revenue and create a calculated field. Name the calculated field ARPU. The formula should be SUM revenue /COUNTD user ID. This formula aggregates the total revenue and divides it by the distinct count of user IDs. 5. Visualize ARPU. Drag the newly created ARPU measure to the rows shelf. If you want to analyze this over time, drag a date field, such as month or year, to the column shelf. Select an appropriate visualization type. Bar charts or line graphs work well for displaying ARPU trends over time. 6. Enhance your visualization. Add filters if necessary to focus on specific segments or time periods. Use color to differentiate periods or segments, or add labels for clarity. Annotate or highlight key insights directly on the visualization if needed. 7. Review and iterate. Examine your ARPU visualization for accuracy and clarity. Adjust as needed based on stakeholder feedback or additional insights. Save your work and publish or share your dashboard to relevant stakeholders for further analysis. By following these steps, you'll create a clear and informative ARPU plot in Tableau, helping stakeholders understand user revenue trends effectively.